Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You look excited. What's on your mind?
Sir, I just finished my SE exams and I have a 3-month vacation. I don't want to waste time, but I don't know what to do. Can you guide me?
Yes, of course. No worries at all. You're at the right place. Instead of wasting these valuable months, why not invest them in learning something new and useful at NextStep InfoTech? We're here to guide you with expert teachers and practical training, perfect for SEE appeared students like you. Choose from our 3-month courses: Computer Basics and Professional Microsoft Office Training, Web Development, Python Programming, Graphic Designing, Video Editing, IoT and Robotics with Arduino.
These all sound interesting, but how do I know which one is best for me?
That's why we offer 1 week of free demo classes in any 3-month course of your choice. Try it out, see what excites you, and then enroll.
Wow, that's really helpful. And what if I decide to enroll?
Great question. When you enroll, you also get a free 1-week class on either AI tools or game development. Your choice.
That's amazing. Do you offer anything else?
Yes. At NextStep InfoTech, we offer free notebook, pen, ID card, and t-shirt. Early bird discount for those who join us within Chaitra. Group discounts and up to 100% scholarships. IT company and +2 college visits. Professional guest lectures, monthly recreation and farewell program at last.
This is exactly what I was looking for. I want to enroll right away. What do I need to do?
It's simple. Just visit our center, fill out a short form, and you're in. But hurry, limited seats available. Join NextStep InfoTech Training Center today. Call us at 016611 815 or 98513 20248. Visit us at Chyamasing near Nala Bus Park. NextStep InfoTech, next skill that edify passion.